Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Authenticator with your Bybit account. So make sure to download these two applications, Bybit and the second one is Google Authenticator. So make sure to download these two applications and log in with your account. And once you log in with your account, so just open the application called Bybit and you will be seeing this home section on your Bybit application. So make sure to go to the home section, and once you're on the home section, just click on the profile icon on the upper left corner, and once you click on the profile you can see like multiple options like your main account, your UID, email, and below is the option like security, invite friends, sub account, demo trading. So make sure to click on the first one called security, and once you click on the security, so you will be seeing these options called email, mobile, change password, fund password, and anti-phishing code. And here you can see the like the passkeys and Google 2FA authentication. So make sure to turn it on. Click on Google 2FA authentication. So as you can see, they have sent email like a code to my email address. So let me just get my code and enter it, 129 and 652. So this is my email code. Click on continue, and from here you can just copy the code, and once copied, just go back, open your Google Authenticator, and on here just click on the like the plus icon, and once you click here, click on enter a setup key, and once you click here, just write down the name of your account. Like you can just write down Bybit and your key, just paste the code in this section, click on add, and once you click on add, go back to your Bybit account, click on next, and on here they will ask like the Google Authenticator code, so make sure to let it change. So I will enter the new code, and here is the new code like 085845. So this is my code. As you can see, Google Authenticator set up successfully. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can add Google Authenticator to your Bybit account.